My name is Chris Bolton. I'm the Sales Support Engineer at Chronos Technology. Chronos Technology is the main supplier for the UK and to the telecoms industry for GPS-based time and timing solutions. We have then branched from that into wider general GPS products, such as repeating and distribution around buildings. One of the solutions Chronos Technology provides is GPS jamming detection. That allows the security and policing services to accurately locate and detect when a GPS jammer is nearby. We aim to help the security industry through GPS jamming detection, where the police or security services can use our technology to track down stolen vehicles. We can also bring GPS inside and distribute around buildings to keep GPS alive for any of your applications or vehicles. GPS is a very weak signal. It can't be picked up inside by many vehicles. This leads to many errors when they try and then leave the station and then get en route. Also, the operation centres can't see where the vehicle is while it's parked in its base. Chronos Technology can bring the GPS inside. We install an active antenna on top of the building in a suitable location that's been properly surveyed. We then bring a cable down into the building with proper lightning protection and then broadcast that signal inside. That signal is of the location of the antenna outside, not where you are actually inside the building. But that allows your GPS on the vehicle to be constantly up to date and ready to go at a moment's notice. GPS repeaters are subject to an Ofcom licensing regime. It's a very simple form, but we can ensure that the repeaters are installed correctly to the specification and that the licenses are applied for properly. Chronos Technology can help with many different applications in industries regarding GPS repeating. Some industries require rapid reaction, so the RAF rapid reaction response hangars, through to fire services who need to have their GPS constantly up to date before they leave. We've also installed for maintenance facilities, such as large RAF hangars, where we can split the signal to multiple repeaters in different areas, as well as end-of-line testing for production lines. GPS is only one of the constellations in the sky. There are many other GNSS satellites up there, such as GLONASS, Galileo or Beidou. And depending on the application, we can tailor a system to ensure that it works specifically for your requirement. Chronos Technology can offer a full turnkey solution, from the initial site survey through planning and design to installation and commissioning, and then on to a full support contract where we can ensure that your service is kept running for years to come.